Hey, every beginner designer asks a question about PPI and DPI resolution. Now I will tell you about it. DPI is dot per inch, amount of dots in 1 inch. PPI is pixels per inch, amount of pixels in 1 inch. Inch is a light unit of 25.4 millimeters. You can also see the resolution like DPCM, it's dots per centimeter, and PPCM, it's pixels per centimeter. But these resolutions are very rare because the inch is the base unit. These resolutions are used to print the detailed quality of a digital image, for example, on a paper, and to match a specific physical size, which you can physically measure by ruler. Because there are different types of printers in the world, and each one has its own DPI resolution. When you create a file to print, you should always know the specific requirements for the file, because it will give you the best quality of the print. Now I will show you how to use PPI resolution. Open Adobe Photoshop and create 2 files for printing on an A4 paper size. Click on the new file, switch pixels to millimeters and enter 210 by 297 millimeters. Is the size of A4 paper. For the first file, I will enter the resolution value of pixels per inch to 72 and create it. After this, I will create the second file with the same size, but with the resolution of pixels per inch 300. At the first sight, the files are the same. But if we turn on a roulette measure and switch millimeters to pixels, we will see the difference. In the first file, which has a resolution of PPI 72, the size in pixels will be 595 by 842. And in the second file, which has a resolution of PPI 300, the size in pixels will be 2418 by 3508. The difference was due of the amount of pixels per inch. So if the PPI value is higher, then the numbers of pixels in your file will be higher. If you want to calculate sizes correctly, you can use these formulas. Or you can use the calculator in Adobe Photoshop, which you can open by clicking on image size. Remember about choosing millimeters, and after this you can enter the needed DPI resolution. At the top of the window, you will automatically see the correct size in pixel. The PPI value is there in JPG, TIFF, PDF and PSD file formats. PPI value are not in PNG, GIF file formats, are not in vector file formats, because there are no dots in them. PPI does not affect to the quality of the digital raster images, for example, photos in the internet, because they are compressed of a concrete resolution which is displayed in pixels. Now let's make an experiment and create 2 files with the same resolution of 1000 by 1000 pixels, but with a different PPI resolution. The first file will have a PPI value of 1, and the second file will have a PPI value of 1000. Now I will change the roulette value from pixels to inches, and you can see that only the numerical values in inches are different, but the resolution in pixels stays the same. From this we can say for sure that in the digital format the PPI value does not matter, because it's just a number. From all of this, we see these values of PPI plays an important role only in a physical format. The DPI resolutions in gadgets is simple. The first one is the phone with the Full HD screen resolution, and the second is the laptop with the same screen Full HD resolution. They will have different DPI value, because the physical size of the screens is different. So, pixels are smaller and more densely arranged than on the laptop. As a result, the DPI value of the phone screen will be higher because we need to put the same numbers of pixels in a small area. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. All useful links you can find in the description below of this video.